Hello everybody, this is Shake-Line.com. Hey guys, what time is it? Mojito time! Finally, we're gonna prepare something that we, all of us, will enjoy. Something sweet with flavor, and we're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, so for mojito, really old, known, international recipe. We're gonna need our white rum, soda water. I have my own, I made it at home. And then we have our glass, a lime, some mint leaves, brown sugar, and ice. This time, again, we're gonna use our muddler. With this one, we're gonna muddle really good, and we're gonna have a great time today. So first, we're gonna cut the lime. We learned it before how we're gonna do it, and we'll do it again. Let me move the glass away so you can see it a little bit better. So we cut it by the half. Then the next half, taking out the white part. There is nothing of the white, so it's good to use. We try to avoid this because it adds the sour on the drink. Yeah, here it's completely out. We're not gonna use that. We're gonna drop the first half already in the glass. Again, the same way works here. No white, no white. See, it's clean. Every side is clean of the white part. Here's a little bit, we take it out. No worries. And one more. So we're gonna drop it in the glass. Then we're gonna add 6 to 8 leaves into the glass. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's do it with 8 leaves. We're gonna give it a nice clap to start taking all the aromas, break the veins of the leaves, and put it inside the glass. Then we're gonna add 3 bar spoons or regular spoons. Yeah, coffee spoons inside. 1, 2, and 3. As my personal advice and one of my tricks as a bartender, it's to add a small sip of the rum already inside, so I can muddle it better and combines better. Yeah, so we start muddling. Just enough to take out the juice of the lime. We don't want to take in the oils of the peel so much, just a little bit. So now that we have done this, we're gonna add 4 centiliters, or we can even make it 5 to go more Cuban. Yeah, so we're gonna add only 4 this time of the white rum. As next, we're gonna put the ice on the top. This time we're gonna top it with ice. Jumping around, yeah, the ice is great, it's just jumping around. Now that we have this, we're gonna take our bar spoon and we're gonna mix it a little bit more. Yeah, because we want the rum with the flavor. Yeah, so it's really cool. Now that it's mixed, we're gonna top it with the soda water. And in the end, we take one of the tops of the leaves and we put it as decoration. Yeah, so guys, I'm glad to see you here again. please do not forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and see you next week for new cocktail recipes. Enjoy us, guys. Cheers. Oh, this is so refreshing. I love it.